Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your vocabulary with Babbel, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Babbel app from your device's app store. Open the app once it's installed. Create a new account or log into your existing account. Select your target language from the list provided. Choose your learning goals to tailor your experience. Begin with the introductory lesson to familiarize yourself with the interface. Engage with vocabulary exercises to strengthen your retention. Use the speech recognition feature to practice pronunciation. Take advantage of the Review Manager function to revisit challenging words. Explore themed lessons that cater to different topics of interest. Utilize the flashcards feature for effective memorization. Incorporate daily practice sessions to build consistency. Participate in interactive dialogues to enhance your conversational skills. Set reminders to keep your learning on track. Track your progress through the app's built-in metrics. Join Babbel's community forums for additional support and tips. Personalize your learning path by focusing on specific topics or situations. Integrate vocabulary practice into your daily routine for better results. Regularly challenge yourself with new words and phrases. Engage with native speakers outside of the app for real-world application. Stay motivated by celebrating small milestones in your language journey. Remember to continuously review and practice to solidify your vocabulary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.